In this video, I'll show you how to update your payment method in copy.ai. First, log into your account at copy.ai. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Next, go to the Billing or Subscription section. This is where you can manage your plan, invoices, and payment information. After that, look for the Payment Methods section and click Update Payment Method, Edit Card, or Manage Billing, depending on your account version. Now enter your new payment details, including your card number, expiration date, cardholder name, and security code. Make sure all information is entered correctly to avoid payment issues. Next, review the updated payment information and click Save or Update Payment Method to confirm the changes. After that, copy.ai will use the new payment method for future subscription charges and renewals. If your previous payment method was expired or failed, updating it should restore normal billing. Finally, check the billing section again to confirm that your new payment method appears as the active payment option on your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update your payment method in copy.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.